Good day, how are you? We have a question here. We are still on this topic, nature of roots. For which values of m will equation mx squared minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0 have? Item 1, equal roots. Item 2, real roots. Item 3, non-real roots. So, first things first, when we want to answer this question, let's find delta. Delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So, delta b squared minus 4ac, our b, it's minus 4 squared minus 4a. A, it's m multiplied by c, it's 5. So what we get here, this is 16, 4 times 5, 20. So 16 minus 20m. So now this is our delta, 16 minus 20m. So we want equal roots. So for us to have equal roots, it means our delta should be equal to 0. So item 1, it's 16 minus 20m is equal to 0. 16 minus 20m, 16 is equal to, we take 20 that other side, 20m. We divide by 20 both sides. This is 16 divided by 20, 20m, 20. This one and this one. Then m is equal to 4 into 16. What do we have? We have 4. 4 into 20, we have 5. So, for this equation to have equal roots, m should be equal to 4 over 5. We go again on item 2. We still have our delta, which is 16 minus 20m. So for us to have equal roots, for us to have real roots, it means our delta should be greater or equal to 0. So now our delta is greater or equal to 0. So now what do we do here? This is 16 greater or equal to 20m. So now, like we did before, we divide by 20, we divide by 20. This is 16 over 20, 20 over 20. Here, this one and this one, it cancels. Then here, our m, like this. M should be less or equal to 4 over 5. So now, again, for us to have non-real roots, this is like this. This is 16 minus 20m. Our delta should be less or equal to 0. So our delta should be less or equal to 0. So this one goes this other side. This is 20m. This is 16. So m is greater or equal to 4 over 5. So this is how we solve this kind of question. Thank you very much for watching.